If you are having trouble with your identity verification on Deriv platform, then this video is for you. Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you a very easy way that you can verify your account on Deriv. I mean your identity, to be specific, right? So just a quick disclaimer, this video is specifically for Ghanaians, right? For Ghanaians who are actually finding it difficult to use their Ghana card to verify their Deriv account and start trading. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can go about this successfully, right? So without further ado, let's jump into it. And at the end of this video I'm going to show you something to do when it comes to verifying your proof of address as well, right? So for the first one I'm going to show you that of identity verification, and the second one, which is a bonus something, I'm going to show you how to verify your proof of address at the end of this video. But for now, let's go to the proof of identity. Right now, right here, it's a message from one of the admins from Deriv. Now this is what he has to say about using the Ghana card for your verification, right? So this is the step you have to follow to get your account verified in terms of you using your Ghana card. So the first thing you have to do is just upload the document. So let me just read for you. Update regarding Ghanaian national ID. Please note that the Ghanaian national ID is accepted for account verification. When you want to submit your proof of identity on the provided link, that's the website if you are trying to verify your identity, first choose the driving license option. Take note, not passport, the driving license option. Second, upload your national ID, in this case the Ghana card, your Ghana card. The next step is contact the support team to check and verify for you. This is a step you don't have to miss. After choosing a driving license option, then you've uploaded your Ghana card. The next thing that you have to do is to contact the support team to check and verify for you. Just like our support team is working on a fees, all right, to avail the option for ID uploads as well. I hope this helps. Yes, indeed, it helped, right? It helped. Now, if you don't know how to contact the support, I'm going to show you right away. And a very cool thing about it is that you can equally contact them on WhatsApp directly. So let me show you something. When you come to the website, right, I'm going to close this quickly. When you come to the website, let me close this as well, right? So when you come to the website, you've probably logged into your account already, okay? When you come here, quickly tap on this menu bar over here. Once you tap on it, scroll down and come to WhatsApp. If you want to chat the Deriv team on WhatsApp directly, tap over here. And I hope WhatsApp is convenient for most of us in this part of the world, or you can just use the live chat directly if you also want to do that, right? But for now, I prefer you use the WhatsApp option, right? You just tap on the WhatsApp and it will take you over there directly. For now, I don't actually have my main WhatsApp active. I've actually uninstalled the other one. So if I tap on this WhatsApp account right now, I'll not be able to have access. Just look at, right? I'll not be able to have access to my main WhatsApp account. This is what I wanted to see, right? It's because I uninstalled WhatsApp. I don't want to be on WhatsApp actively anymore. That's how come I've uninstalled it, right? So that is it about this particular one. Just tap on the WhatsApp icon right here. I mean, it's even written over here boldly. Just tap on WhatsApp and you'll be able to chat the live support on WhatsApp directly, and they'll help you with the verification, right? And that is it. Now the next thing that I want to give you as a bonus is about your proof of identity over here. Okay, the first one we talk about is the first one we talk about is the proof of identity. Now the bonus which I want to give you is how to go about your proof of address, right? So when you go to the proof of address section, they require that you either upload bank statements or your utility bill, right, to show where you actually reside. Okay, you can see I've already verified my proof of address. Now there's an easy way to go about this. You don't have to struggle, right? If you need help with this, just reach out to me on Twitter at Godsway right? And let me sort you out, right? Just reach out to me on Twitter, Godsway just that I'm not on WhatsApp currently. Like, I could have given my WhatsApp number out, but I'm no more on WhatsApp. So just reach out to me on Twitter at Godsway and let me see how best I can help you over there. And this particular thing I'm talking about is basically for Ghanaians, right? If you're in Ghana and you're having problem verifying your address, your proof of address, you can reach out to me on Twitter and I'll help you out, right? I'll help you, take you through the process. That is it, right? So I hope this video has been helpful so far, and if it's actually been helpful to you, just go ahead and hit that like button on the video and also share it with other people so that they also get to verify their account and start trading, right? Trading synthetic indices. You all know how synthetic indices are kind of profitable, right? Let's do this together, right? I'm going to see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos as well. Bless up.